What you're hearing is the sound of a problem that's been solved. For 90 days, I haven't emptied a dustbin. I haven't changed a filter. I haven't even touched my vacuum. Because this, the Orion Home System, doesn't have a bin. It doesn't have bags. It has a direct pipeline to a sealed canister in my garage wall. It empties itself after every room. It washes its own filters weekly. And it maps not just floor plans, but dust density, allergen hotspots, and even predicts when your pets will shed. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect Pro Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson V15 Detect Pro is a powerful, intelligent cordless vacuum to clean around your business. 2 click-in batteries provide up to 120 minutes of run time, to the power of 1, and with an extra filter you always have a spare clean, dry filter on hand. A piezo sensor intelligently optimizes power and runtime based on the debris picked up, reporting it all on the LCD screen. Cube The detangling digital motorbar cleaner head deep cleans carpets and hard floors and adapts suction power to floor type. Its versatile cordless format transforms into a handheld vacuum with 1 click so you can clean up high, down low, and everywhere in between. Comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support. Register your machine on the My Dyson app for personalized machine guides, maintenance and support. Number 2. Miele Complete C3 Calima. The bagged canister vacuum is an exceptional cleaning device that excels at maintaining smooth floors and low to medium pile carpets. It is equipped with a turbo brush, which is specifically designed to tackle carpets efficiently, and a parquet floor head that ensures smooth flooring is cleaned gently and effectively without damage. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its maximum filtration system. It utilizes a HEPA lifetime filter, which boasts the capability to retain up to 99.999% of the tiniest particles, including fine dust and various allergens. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals who suffer from allergies or who simply want to maintain a cleaner, fresher indoor environment. In terms of added convenience, Miele's Compact C3 series offers a variety of user-friendly features that enhance the overall cleaning experience. Integrated accessories help streamline the cleaning process by keeping essential tools readily available, while the comfort handle ensures comfortable maneuverability. The one-touch cord rewind feature eliminates the hassle of manually wrapping the cord after use, saving time and effort. Number 3. Shark Upright Vacuum. Ultra-powerful suction. The Shark vacuum is designed with ultra-powerful suction capabilities, ensuring it provides the best hair pickup performance compared to any other Shark model. This feature makes it highly effective in tackling pet hair and stubborn dirt on various surfaces. DuoClean Power Fins HAIRPRO. This innovative vacuum utilizes a dual brush roll system known as DuoClean Power Fins, which has been engineered to penetrate deep into carpets. It effectively engages hard floors and ensures that dirt, debris, and hair are captured during every pass, promoting a thorough cleaning experience on all floor types. Guards against bad odors. With its advanced odor neutralizer technology, this vacuum proactively helps to guard against unpleasant odors that may accumulate inside. This feature is particularly beneficial for pet owners, as it assists in maintaining a fresh and inviting home atmosphere. No hair wrap. The self-cleaning brush roll technology in this vacuum is specifically designed to pick up pet hair without the hassle of hair wrap. This means that users can enjoy powerful hair pickup without having to frequently clean the brush roll, making maintenance simpler and more convenient. Number 4. Bissell Cleanview XR Pet 300W. Clean up messes from floor to ceiling with the Bissell Cleanview XR Pet 300W cordless stick vacuum. This powerful cleaner comes with 3 powerful cleaning modes and a removable lithium-ion battery to make storage and charging a breeze. With up to 40 minutes of runtime and 40% more powerful motor than the Shark WandVac 2, you'll be able to clean more effectively and enjoy freedom from being plugged in. The Cleanview XR Pet vacuum easily converts into a handheld vacuum and comes with 3 specialized tools, including the all-new Deep Cleaning for Brush, designed to clean the small areas where dirt accumulates. Remove the floor nozzle to use the stick vac as an extension wand to tackle messes high and low throughout your home. Our swivel steering feature and LED headlights make it easy to find and clean where dirt loves to hide. When you're done cleaning, the wall mount and charging station conveniently store the vacuum and its tools, and ensures your unit will be ready to go for your next clean. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Number 5. Kenmore 81714 Bundle Ultra Plush. The motorized pet power mate attachment is an essential tool for pets owners, designed to tackle even the most stubborn pet hair and dust that may cling to carpets and hard-to-reach corners. This attachment goes beyond just regular cleaning. Its advanced Ultra Plush nozzle utilizes optimized airflow mechanisms to penetrate deeply into Ultra Plush carpeting, ensuring a thorough and complete clean that leaves no trace of pet dander behind. This feature is particularly beneficial for those with fluffy carpets that often harbor hidden dirt and allergens. For individuals who suffer from allergies or are particularly sensitive to dust, the HEPA media filter included in this vacuum is a game changer. It captures an impressive 99.97% of all dust particles, including pollen and pet hair, creating a cleaner, healthier living environment. To facilitate effortless maintenance, the performance indicator feature alerts users when the bag is full or if there are any clogs, ensuring the vacuum operates at peak performance without interruption. Every self-sufficient vacuum system you just saw, from the central home system to the fully autonomous Cordless, all pre-order links, installation service details, and filter subscription plans are waiting for you right now in the video description below. If you're ready to never think about vacuuming again, do these 3 things. Press that like button, it helps families discover a cleaner future. Share this with someone who spends their weekend cleaning, give them their time back. And subscribe with notifications on, because next week, I'm testing a 2026 laundry system that folds and puts away clothes by itself, and you deserve that freedom. Breathe easy.